Tony, here's that automated Microsoft Word method I came up with back in, maybe it was September. I have a file here that I've inserted mail merge fields into. These are each fields. And what I've done is I've created a spreadsheet that matches the these field names. So for example, we have school name here in the Word document, and there's school name there. We have street address in the document, and there's street address there. We have zip code in the document. We have zip code over here. And so forth and so on the right on the document. Project description in the Excel sheet, project description in the document. So what you do, if you have a Word document that has these fields in it, which the documents you're getting from Mr. Longo do not have these fields. But if he was using a Word template that maintained these fields, all you would have to do is literally fill in your information in the spreadsheet here. Fill it in over there, very simple, one time. Then you come over to the spec template, and what you would do is you would do a mail merge, and then you would preview your results. When I click on preview, it's going to change all these fields to actual names from the spreadsheet. Well, hold on. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. So I use an existing list. I'm sorry. So this is where I made a mistake. First of all, you'd go to the Mail tab. Then you would click on Select Recipients. And then you'd click on Use an Existing List. And then I would go and I'd find the list wherever you keep it on the network. In this case, I'm keeping it in this file here, front-end preparation documents, front-end assembly data. That's what the name of this file is. See that? I click OK. And then it just wants to know what table to select. And by the way, it has rows and headers on it, so you know what to fill in over here. So I click that checkbox on. So I just highlight that and hit OK. And you see right there, it just changed everything automatically. All the tabs are corrected. The only thing about this system I have is if you have more than one B number, you have these BXX, which some people may not like. But it's got everything else corrected. That's it. That's all there is to it. I'm going to just preview that, and we'll get out of that. So that's what that is.